Hi guys, I am so excited to share about the Seint products with you. This is going to be just our basic intro video. I'm going to try to go over basically everything here fast so you guys get the gist of what Seint is, how super easy and convenient it is. And then in the next few days, I'll throw in some more information on ingredients and ordering and all of that kind of stuff. So I'm so glad you're here. You're probably like me looking for something a little bit easier, a little bit more affordable. I fell into Seint a little bit when I saw a friend using it online, and I am a mom of 2 young ones. I am no makeup pro or artist. I had never contoured a day in my life before Seint. Never did I think I could do that or have any clue how to. And the best thing with Seint is that anybody can do it. So the makeup is for all ages, all skin types, cream base, so it's super, super natural, lightweight, tons of different options here to color correct if you have redness, rosacea, melasma, age spots, just a whole wide variety. Our makeup is super affordable, $14 per tin, and the tins can last from 3 to 6 months. They go, a little bit goes a long way. Our makeup is very pigmented, and so it is just amazing. So, general concept of Seint. All of our makeup can be together in one palette. So that is what makes this makeup super convenient. All of our little tins that we have, that your makeup come in, are magnetic. So they come out and they can pop right into your palette. And like I said, everything would be in one spot. So this is our basic 4-tin palette. This is a starter palette. It is all you would need to do your whole face of makeup. We color match you to the perfect shades for your skin. We do that by getting a makeup-free selfie, and I will give a little more information on how to do that. I will match you to your colors. If you have problem areas, that's when these colors kind of come in handy to help correct some of those issues, darkness under the eyes. Like I said, age spots, or you can see on me, I have quite a bit of redness compared to my neck and chest. So I will color match you to 2 highlight colors, a main color, which is basically like your foundation, what you think of as a foundation. Then I will match you to a secondary brightening highlight color, and that is to brighten under the eyes and down the center of the face. I will color match you to a contour color, and that is where you'll kind of get that 3-dimensional look from the Seint products. That is the darkest looking color. It always scares people, but it blends awesome. And then personal preference for lip and cheek color. We have so many options, neutrals, pops of pink, bold colors, and those are, again, your preference. I can give you some suggestions as well. So those are the 4 colors you'd be matched to. And that's what would start your basic 4-tin palette. So all you need to get started is that 4-tin palette, one of our brushes, again, a variety of brushes. So this can kind of just depend on what coverage you're looking for. This is our blush and bronzer brush. It does more of a light coverage. It is really great for our bronzers and our lip and cheek colors. Here's an example of our buff brush. This is one of my favorites. This gives a more full coverage look and is also really great for mature skin. These brushes are all dual ended, and so it's basically 2 for 1, which is amazing. I'm not gonna go through all of them here, but again, our detail brush, we have a bunch of our smaller, more detailed brushes, our eyeshadow brush, our multitasker brush. These are great for eyeshadows, for lining your eyes, filling your brows, lining your lips. So we have so many options on the tools as well. To get started though, all you need is one of our brushes. So this would be an awesome beginner's pack here. So a 4-tin palette with basically your whole face of makeup and one brush, and that is it, you guys. If you're someone who loves to add on extras, eyeshadows, different color lip and cheeks. Our lip and cheeks are great to mix together to make your own colors. We do have larger palettes. So I will show a few here, but this is one of our triple decker palettes. So as you can see, tons of room to add in illuminators, eyeshadows, all different fun stuff. You can organize it however you want. One of your tins is empty after you're done using it. Oh my gosh, I didn't do this standing up. You pop out the tin and grab a new one and pop your new one right in. If you like to switch out colors for the seasons, you can customize your palette however you want. And again, this is basically the size of a wallet, a brush, and a palette, and that is it. Throw it in your drawer in the bathroom, put it in your overnight bag, travel with it. This is literally it. Again, tons of different designs. This is another triple decker palette. So many different options, you guys. It just depends what you're looking for. I am going to do my makeup here with the basic 4-tin palette, so you guys can just see how super simple and easy it is. And I am going to do the cheetah hack method, which is a method where we apply with our finger, very little product, and we blend, and that is it. And so I'm gonna start with my contour here, and I'm going to apply it in dots right under my cheekbone, across my hairline, sides of my nose, and my jawline. And this is literally why I fell in love with this makeup. This is still how I apply it the majority of the time. Super quick, super easy. I pop it on, I blend, and I am literally out the door. So next I'm gonna go in with my main highlight color. And you could see I'm literally just dotting this on. Then I'm gonna come in with my secondary brightening highlight color, and this is gonna brighten under my eyes. So I'm coming under my eyes with a little dot here, the inner corners and the outer corners. I'm gonna come down the center of my face and just right down the center, just to give me a little brighten. Okay, you guys, I am going to take my buff brush today and start to blend. So you cannot mess this up. You can see I'm doing like little stippling motion circle. I'm gonna come around here and blend. The makeup is super light. Everything that I just applied to my face is going to provide coverage for me. So I am not doing layer upon layer of makeup. I'm just doing one single layer. So I will not have that cakey, you know, feel of just layering powder and liquid and bronzer and everything on top of each other. Okay, I'm coming around here and blending that contour. You can see I'm kind of doing an upward motion into my hairline. I have videos for application, so after you purchase, I will have instructions. You don't have to feel just lost. I also have a VIP page where I share tips and tricks, and you always have access to that as well. I'm turning my brush around to that smaller end, and I'm gonna blend under my eyes here. Okay, blending in that contour. I have a little mirror on the side here so I don't miss anything in this camera of my phone. Okay, you guys, next I'm gonna come in with my lip and cheek color. Again, our lip and cheek colors are just that. They're great for your lips and your cheeks. You can also mix a couple dots of one color, a couple dots of another, and make your own custom. I'm coming in with Hollywood Lip and Cheek, using my same brush. I'm gonna blend up on my cheekbones, nice and high, gives me a little lift. Okay, you guys, last thing is here is our Perfector sponge, which is like magic, and that is gonna give you that airbrush finish. So it is a little damp. I'm coming around This will get any excess makeup off, and it will also just kind of melt things together and blend. And I'm just doing that across my whole face here. Okay, you guys, that is it. That is how super, super simple it is. And look at that. Super flawless. Gives you that natural looking glow. So easy. Everything from one palette with one brush and the Perfector sponge. So this is it, you guys. I will be sharing again all about our tools. I can help you find the perfect brush for you. I'll be sharing about the different palette options, our eyeshadows, and some of our fun extras. The makeup is super compact, affordable. If you're a mom, if you're busy, if you're just looking to simplify things, you don't want that messy makeup drawer, the messy makeup bag, this is all you need. So stay tuned the next couple days. I will add in some more info. I will also have an ordering link available. And I am here to answer any questions. So reach out. If you have any questions, if they're personal questions about your skin or things you want to correct, private message me, and I would love to answer them for you. Thanks, guys.